Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start learning C++ with Udacity, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start learning C++ with Udacity, first, visit the Udacity website. In the search bar, type C++ to find relevant courses. Look for the introductory C++ programming course. Click on the course title to view details and prerequisites. Take a moment to read the course description and syllabus. Check if the course offers flexible learning options to fit your schedule. If you're satisfied, click the Enroll button to start the registration process. Create an account if you don't have one. Fill in your personal information and set up your payment details if necessary. Once enrolled, navigate to the course dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the course layout and materials available. Begin with the introductory module to understand the basics of C++. Follow along with the video lectures and take notes. Practice coding as you progress through each lesson. Use the provided coding exercises to reinforce your understanding. Don't hesitate to revisit previous lessons if needed. Engage with the community by joining forums or study groups. Complete any quizzes or assessments to test your knowledge. As you advance, explore additional resources such as documentation and coding challenges. Finally, start your own projects to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. Stay consistent and dedicate regular time to your studies. Enjoy your journey into the world of C++ programming. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.